Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best patio tables is probably one of the most essential pieces for any outdoor space, offering a convenient surface for dining, drinks, or simply enjoying the sunshine. But with so many options available, choosing the right one can be a challenge. In this video, we'll explore some of the top patio tables on the market, helping you find the perfect match for your needs and budget. Number 5. Keter Rolling Outdoor Table Cart. This Keter cart transforms your outdoor space. It creates a stylish entertaining area with plenty of room for drinks and snacks. It's perfect for any gathering. With its generous size, this cart offers lots of storage. It's designed to hold all your food, beverages, and accessories. You'll have everything you need. The cart is easy to move around. It has built-in wheels and a convenient handle. You can take it from the poolside to the patio effortlessly. Built to last, this cart uses tough materials. The polypropylene material and stainless steel top are weather-resistant. It's ideal for outdoor use. Keter provides high-quality solutions for your home. This cart enhances your outdoor living. It's designed to make your life easier and more enjoyable. What we like. This rolling table cart is designed with ample storage, perfect for keeping everything you need at your fingertips. Its portable design makes it easy to move around your patio or deck. If you frequently host gatherings or enjoy outdoor cooking, you should consider this. It will make your life much easier. What people say. It is incredibly sturdy, featuring a solid stainless steel top that adds a touch of elegance to our outdoor space. The ample storage underneath is perfect for keeping all our grilling essentials organized. The doors open and close smoothly, adding to the overall convenience. Number 4. Grand Patio 18-inch Round Outdoor Side Table. This side table is built with a powder-coated steel frame, making it weather-resistant and UV protected. The sturdy construction can hold up to 60 pounds, and the plastic feet prevent floor scratches. The crisscross design adds extra stability. This table is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. It's the ideal size to match your patio furniture. It will stay bright and attractive in your outdoor space. It's easy to assemble, store, and carry around. This table is designed for convenience and portability. Cleaning this table is simple, just use a wet cloth. It's also environmentally friendly, making it a great choice for your home. The table measures 17.75 inches in diameter and stands 18 inches high. It's the perfect size for various uses. What we like. This side table features a sturdy steel frame and a trendy design that complements any outdoor space. It's also easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. If you are looking for a simple yet stylish addition to your patio, this is a great choice. What people say. They are well packed, easy to assemble, and sturdy. The finish holds up well outdoors. Easy assembly, great quality. We've had these tables for just over 2 years now and they have been fantastic. There is no sign of rust or color fading from being in the hot Southern California sun for all this time. We've had maybe a half-dozen pool parties in that time and never have the tables tipped over or in any other way proven inadequate. Number 3. DANPINERA Steel Outdoor Side Table. This outdoor side table is crafted from iron, electrophoresis, and weather-resistant paint. This rare combination ensures exceptional stability, remaining rust-free for years. The small outdoor side table features a heavy-duty X-shaped steel construction. This design makes it durable and sturdy, capable of holding up to 110 pounds. The edge curl design prevents items from falling. It includes 4 adjustable footpads for floor protection and uneven surfaces. This feature keeps your floor from scratches and makes the table more stable. It's also lightweight and simple to move around. This patio side table is built for both indoor and outdoor use. It's the ideal size for your patio chairs and sofa. You can use it as a display table in your garden or a coffee table in your living room. The assembly is simple and requires only a few basic operations. All assembly tools are included, making it easy to set up. Furthermore, it is waterproof, which is convenient for cleaning. What we like. This outdoor side table boasts unmatched durability with its unique iron and weather-resistant paint combination. The sturdy construction ensures it can withstand various conditions. If you value longevity and stability in your outdoor furniture, you should choose this one. What people say. The metal construction is solid and well-balanced, with a powder-coated finish that seems resistant to rust and scratches. The minimalist yet modern design blends well with various outdoor decor styles. It was incredibly easy to assemble, took me less than 5 minutes, and it feels surprisingly sturdy for how lightweight it is. Number 2. Best Choice Products 48 inches Wooden Console Table. This console table is designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Its smooth finish allows it to blend seamlessly into any setting, making it a versatile addition to your home. Use it to display your favorite items. It's perfect for showcasing flowers, serving as a buffet, or displaying family photos. Crafted from weather-resistant eucalyptus wood, this table is built to last. It features a smooth finish and adjustable feet for added stability. You can have this table set up in just 15 minutes. All the necessary tools are included, making assembly quick and straightforward. The slatted shelves provide plenty of space for storage. It's ideal for storing flowers, succulents, or any other items you want to keep organized. It can hold up to 220 pounds. What we like. This console table is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, making it incredibly versatile. Crafted from quality eucalyptus wood, it offers a smooth finish and added stability. If you like a multifunctional table for display or storage, you should consider this. What people say. These are really sturdy and were easy to assemble. It is heavy and very sturdy. Looks nice, is sturdy and easy to assemble. Number 1. Valita Outdoor Wicker Side Table. Introducing the Valita Outdoor Wicker Side Table. It's the perfect addition to your patio or outdoor space. This table combines style and functionality. This side table features a sleek design. It's made with durable PE wicker and resin rattan. This ensures it can withstand the elements. It offers a generous 22-gallon storage capacity. You can easily store your drinks, snacks, or pool toys. It's great for keeping your outdoor area tidy. This table is ideal for storing furniture covers and gardening tools. It's a versatile piece that enhances any outdoor setting. It's perfect for any outdoor activities. This side table is built to last. It provides a convenient storage solution. It's a must-have for anyone who enjoys spending time outdoors. What we like. This side table offers extra storage space, perfect for keeping your patio essentials organized. It's also weather-resistant, ensuring it can withstand the elements. If you need a stylish and functional storage solution for your outdoor space, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Nice looking table. Very easy to assemble. Lots of storage. Very sturdy. This is a lovely table with great storage. It is bigger than we thought, which is a plus, and it is well constructed. It was easy to assemble and very sturdy. I can store anything I need when sitting outside on my deck. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.